How's it going, everyone? Today I'm at Bobby's. Got the tractor going, switch the blades out. We'll go mow that track. And at some point today we gotta go pick up a couple of snow blowers because our intention is to run a winter track. Track's all mowed and good to go. So we're gonna hook up the trailer and bring all of our trail cutting shit and hopefully cut some trails and not get attacked by bees. Probably get attacked by bees.
I'm gonna attack the bees back with this chainsaw.
You get them. So this is where we're gonna cut into the trail right here and hope we don't run into any bees or anything like that. I think I'd rather get stuck in prickers than get hit by one bee.
Yeah.
To be honest with you. Alright, let's get cutting.
Alright, so I swear we don't have a problem, but we're on our way to go buy another tractor.
Tell them about this one though.
This one's got a snowblower on it and a 24 horse Briggs.
22.
I thought he said 24.
Yeah, well, you're stupid. It's 22.
It's true. Whatever. Anyway, it's more than 18, and it's got a decent rear end in it. And
You got a decent rear end, didn't you?
It's got a snowblower on it, running off the PTO, which is pretty tits. So we're gonna go buy it, and then we're gonna get rid of the ugly as sin body off of it and put green meanie on it.
You're gonna do a big old swap somehow that we've never done before.
Yeah, I mean, all you gotta do is take the body off of the lawnmower and throw it away, and then take the body off of the good mower and put it on there.
Can't be that hard.
That's why God invented tech screws.
That's why we got the impact.
That's why we got the impact.
Alright, lady, what are you doing?
She is 9,000 years old.
You have overstayed your welcome on this earth.
Oh my God. No, she should be in Florida.
No, God's waiting right now.
Well, I hope I get him with the fucking tow mirrors, you fuck!
Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir. This is Kate Florence, chronic pain service. How are you?
I'm doing great. Except for the chronic pain.
Okay. Okay, good. I will put your phone number. Don't call us. Thank you for your time.
I'm sorry, what? Hello?
I didn't hear you well, sir. Do you have pain with your back or knee or neck?
Yes, all of those.
I'm very sorry to hear that. You are entitled to receive braces should be covered by insurance at no cost to you at all. Do you have
That's wonderful.
insurance?
What's insurance?
Do you have Medicaid insurance?
No, I just try not to get hurt. How do I get braces? I am in a lot of pain right now. Help. Help.
I don't hear you well.
I don't hear myself while I'm in so much fucking pain. Oh, hello?
Okay, that's good now. Yes.
Hi, yes, we're good?
Yes, sir. Do you have medical insurance? Yes.
I don't.
You don't?
No.
Okay, you are not... Okay, sorry, sir. You are not qualified for our braces. Thank you for your time.
Fuck!
Oh, what up, overexposed city of Rochester, you giant fucking pile of garbage?
Fourth best murder capital. I love murder.
If the camera will focus, we are currently passing Monroe County Jail. That's where my mom spent some nights for possession of controlled substances.
So here's our tractor we got here. We got weights in the tires. We got a bunch of weight back here. Chains. And it's not hydrostatic, so it's good for revving dumps. So I'm going to see if we can get her to do a wheelie.
The zip tie holding your weight came off. Well, the wheelie bar works.
I thought I was going back for some reason. So it's the next day.
Today is tomorrow. But for you, it's only a few seconds later.
Yeah. So we got the shit all sorted out with the tractor. We got a hitch on it. We put a new hood on it. It looks hilarious.
It's great.
But now after all this shit that we had to do, we're finally going to go ride that new trail and mark it. Did you get that stuff?
No.
We'll just figure it out. We'll lay some sticks down so you can't possibly miss it. So I'll go get my bike out of the trailer and we'll ride. Yeah.
The rock's pretty big. Well, that's what you call.
So I wiped out pretty good. Bonked this fucking rock. Ripped my grip right off. Oh, fuck. We gotta go get the tractor.
For what?
We gotta clean this up a little bit.
Come on!
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin. This is serious. I know. This really is the world's smallest violin.
The last three times I've tried it. Husqvarna doesn't sponsor us, but they totally should. If that's not a glaring endorsement of how fantastic their products are, you know, that we can just mow brush with a push mower meant for residential lawns. That's pretty good. So Husky, hit us up, because we want free stuff. Seriously, Husqvarna, at least send us stuff for durability testing.
Alright, we're done building. Let's get a couple of laps on here and see how it goes.
Give us stuff for free. We have so much of it already. Please.
A brand new tractor, 52-inch cut, please.
Or
we'll beat the shit out of it.
Yeah, or even just a push mower. Because, you know, it's not like this one is tired, because Husqvarna is such good stuff, you know?
Update for you guys, since I haven't actually ridden this bike yet. But as you can see, there is no sign of oil. I didn't wipe it or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a success for right now. Alright, so that's it for tonight. Give this video a like and subscribe. Say bye.
Bye.